Hello and welcome to this little tutorial on KCB coins, KCB combo packs, how to buy them, what you get for them, and especially to tell you about this offer that's finishing at noon on the 31st of October 2018. Now that's noon Central European time, so do be aware of that. There's still a little bit of time left for you to get involved in this. Now this is it's a really good offer. In order to get it, you need to go to karatgold.sg. Okay, so karatgold.sg. Just for your information, Karatgold.sg and karatbars.com use the same back office, but the front pages of the website are different. So whenever you go log on to karatgold.sg, by the way, you use exactly the same username and password to get into this website as you would to get into karatbars.com. All right, so this is a dummy account. Obviously, it's not my account. So this is a dummy account here, and I'm going to show you where you make your purchase. So you go to My Coins, which is here. Or you go to product purchase, sorry, up here, and you'll see KCB coins. So if we click on that, and that will open up where I can go now and buy some KCB. So KCB is priced at 14 cents today, and KCB is being sold until September 2019, or if they're sold out before that, obviously, but up until September 2019 at 14 cents each, and then they will be going on to the actual Karatbars exchange after that. So it's like an ICO period at the moment. Excuse me. So if you want to see more about KCB coin, KBC coin, I have another tutorial on YouTube for that. So the KCB is the backbone of the cryptocurrency wealth building system managed by Karatcoin Bank. So KCB is the coin of the bank, if you like. This is the utility coin. So if you buy between 150 euro and 1499 euro of KCB today, you get a 30% bonus for free. All right. If you buy between 1,500 and 4,499 euros worth, you get 40% bonus. Between 4,000 and 7,099, it's a 50% bonus. Between 8,000 or more, any more than 8,000 of this coin, then you get a 60% bonus. Now, here's the huge bonus that I want to tell you about that's finishing on 31st of October. If you buy before 31st of October, 11:59 AM Central European Time, you get 100% on top of what you've bought. So that's 120% on top of the 30, on top of the 40, on top of the 50, or on top of the 60. All right, this is why this is such an amazing offer. So the KCB Karat Bank coin is the next level ERC20 Ethereum-based cryptocurrency, newly issued by Karatcoin Bank Miami. KCB works as a foundation and gateway to the Karatcoin Bank's complementary features and to the Karatgold ecosystem. So let's take a look down through here. 150 to 1499, 30% bonus. 1500 to 4499, 40%. 4500 to 7999, 50%. 8000 onwards, 60% bonus on top. So for example, if I wanted to buy now 9,000 of this coin, I would get 64,286, but I'd get a bonus amount then. Look at this. The bonus amount of 115,715, and these coins will be automatically added to your account. So let's go through I haven't got KYC documents approved. Obviously this is a dummy account, so I can't go on to the next page, but that would take me through to the next page there where I can process my payment. So that's how easy it is. Again, you could buy 150 euros, just to give you an idea, 150. Okay, so 150 is 1072 KCBs. You get your bonus amount of 1,608, plus you get this is your 120% bonus, but please be aware this finishes on the 31st of October. That's the important thing now at the moment. So let's go up to product purchase again. We do have combination packages. A combination package, these are really popular at the moment because you're able to get KBC and KCB, both coins in there. So let's take a look at the 3,000 euro multi-pack, for example, our combination pack. It contains KCB and the total amount of coins at the current available exchange rate at 3,000 euros. So you get 3,000 of KCB at 14 cents each. All right, 60% bonus on top of that. In addition, then they'll give you KBC at 25% of the value of the package. All right, so let's take a look at that. You get 3,000 euros worth of KCB, 1,800 euros worth of KCB on top of that, which is your 60% bonus, and 750 euros of KBC. And KBC is already trading on the exchanges. All right. So that's your 3K pack. We then have a 5K pack. The 5K pack gives you 5,000 euros worth of KCB, 3,800 euros worth of KCB on top, which is your 70% bonus. Plus, remember, you're getting your 120% on top of that as well. So they'll gift you, gifted then again, 1,500 euros worth of KBC. So that's 30% of KBC in the 5k package. 8k package again, bigger again, 8,000 of KCB, 6,400 bonus, that's an 80% bonus again on top of that. Excuse me. 120% of 8,000 on top of that again, plus 3,200 worth of KCB, which is 40% of KCB in this package. Now this is the 15k multi-pack. These have been really popular so far. We've sold so many of these already, and here's why. In a 15k multi-pack, you're getting 15,000 euros worth of KCB. That's the first thing. You also get 15,000 euros worth of KCB. It's 100% bonus on top of that again. Alright, so that's 30,000 of KCB we're up to. Now, because of this 120% bonus on top, you get another, it works out about another 18,000. So it's 15,000, 18,000 and 15,000 altogether. Alright, so it works out 43,000 euros worth of KCB. On top of the 43,000 euros worth of KCB, you get 7,500 euros worth of KBC. And again, KBC is already trading on the exchanges. It's trading at around about 0.9 of a cent. If it goes to 1.8 cent, well, that's this package actually paid for. And you've got 43,000 euros worth of KCB for free. On top of that, Karatbars are also giving anyone who buys an 8k multi-pack or a 15k multi-pack the chance to become a VIP business partner as well, which again is worth 2,000 euros. This is a massive, huge offer. It's the biggest offer I've seen in 5.5 years with the company. Once you've bought your package, the coins will be automatically added to your account, and you can trace those in your dashboard as well. Huge offer here, guys. If you think about it, that 15,000 euros cost, 43,000 worth of KCB, 7,500 of KBC, and again, you could buy this with a brother or sister or a family member, and you can always split up the coins later on. So huge opportunity there to get a huge bonus in terms of KBC and KCB coins, and of course as well you get that VIP business choice of you get the VIP business package status as well, included in the 8k and 15k. So that's it. Really quick overview, really quick tutorial on that. Buy as much KCB as you can. However many KCB you have, you really don't have enough. My KBC, I've been stacking since day one, since they became available. I'm buying KBC, I'm buying KCB, because there's so much coming out now in October. We've got the Karatbars exchange, which is coming. I have more details coming on the bank and partnerships. So lots and lots of things that are going to be happening over the next 3 to 6 months and over the next 12 months, in fact, that are really going to impact and really going to increase the price of these coins. So thanks very much for watching. As I said, stack up on as many KCB and KBC as you can, and please don't miss out on this 120% bonus on these combo packs, which finishes 31st of October 2018, and that's noon Central European time. If you've got any questions, get back to the person who told you about this video, or contact Karatbars head office, help@karatbars.com, or much better, lift the phone. The telephone numbers are there in your back office, and you also have the option of a support button, which you'll see in the bottom right hand corner of your screen for a live chat. So thanks very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this, and if you have any problems, as I said, just get back with the person who sent you to this video. Thanks very much.